Hey everyone, welcome to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. If this is your first time joining us, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. If you've been here before, you know the drill. Today, I'm joined by my friend Yaz from Yazzie Fades TV. I'll link his YouTube channel below. It's really cool, check it out. And we're gonna make a Margarita Negra. This is a tequila-based drink, and Yaz tells me he's got a good tequila story, so let's hear it.
I do. I was in Las Vegas, and I was flying back to Philadelphia. And in the airport, we decided to have a bunch of tequila drinks. First time ever. We had a layover and we landed in Dallas, Texas. I didn't know that. So the first time I drank tequila, I was a little sideways and I decided to walk out of the airport to go look for my car. And nobody stopped me.
Your friends let you do that?
My friends let me go look for my car.
What are friends for, right? Well, hopefully this time goes better, and we won't let you leave the airport, okay?
I hope so.
So for this drink, we're going to use for the first time on the channel, I actually just cracked the bottle, our Mr. Black Cold Brew Coffee. Actually has vodka in it. It's an alcoholic beverage. We're also going to use a tequila that's new to the channel. This is the Siete Leguas 7. I made a video not long ago with tequila in it. Someone in the comments told me to try better tequila. I took the recommendation. Let's give this a shot. So already got a shaker here full with ice. I'm gonna make 2 of these, so I'm doubling all the ingredients. So we're gonna use 2 ounces of our Mr. Black. Got a cool name, Mr. Black. I wonder if there's a Mr. Black. Is there a Mrs. Black?
I don't know.
2 ounces of our tequila. And I'm actually gonna put you to work in a second. When I start shaking this up, if you could lime our glasses and then salt them for me. You got a second there for that. And then 1 ounce, so half an ounce per drink of our agave. And then the last thing we need is we're going to use about a half a lime and squeeze that in there for some fresh lime juice. Only the freshest for you, my friend. All right, go ahead and lime those up, and I'm going to give this a shake or 3. Once it gets too cold to the touch, you know it's ready to go. Excellent job on the salting.
Look at that.
Let's go ahead and give these a pour. Ooh, I like the color. Definitely not your typical margarita color.
Looks good though.
Honestly, looks more like maybe after a night of drinking tequila, what it might look like.
Oof.
All right, let's go ahead and try our first Margarita Negras and see what we think.
Cheers.
Oh, okay. You tell me what you think. I'll finish mine.
It's really good. It's really good. Just the right hit. I like it.
I love it. Yeah, the combination of coffee and tequila, you wouldn't think, but it works really well.
It works really well. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised.
I don't know if I'll add tequila in my coffee tomorrow morning, but I would definitely do it with the Mr. Black.
Yeah, let's not do that.
So thanks once again for joining us. Yes, thanks for joining me.
Thank you.
We'll see you again soon.